Hey, dude, saw you on TikTok. I've got so many ideas, dude. I don't know where to start. And that to me is perfect. If you are saying, I've got so many ideas, I want to be a chef, I want to be a dancer, I want to be a singer, I want to be a comedian, I want to be a gardener, I want to be a janitor, whatever it is, you have to blast it all out there. And the unfortunate thing is that TikTok will decide who you are in the beginning, right? You'll always figure out who you're going to be, but TikTok decides in the beginning. So yeah, if you've got a few ideas, shoot all of them. If you don't know where to start, shoot everything that your mind is thinking in regards to posting, because you're going to figure out, one, what works for you, and two, what works for the algorithm, right? So stop asking yourself, where do I start? And just film everything that your head that's been kind of holding that mental real estate.